don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates won, Mackenzie won. I'm joined by the best keeper.
Ya mamelani wenkap zami akesimene kancane ngale ngoma eTchizi ayingenanga kutopeti njengamanje mamela nkaba relaxa baba ibig keeper lenkaba ya le ndaba yeChiefs namazebra angangenanga kutopeti asinandaba naleyo sikhuluma indaba la eOrlando bafethu ukuthi I know umdlalo omuhle bomuhle uqhubekile and esikubonga kakhulu Sithebo sibonga ucoach weDDC Mr. Joseph Makanya engicabanga ukuthi konke okwenzeka la ngaphakathi umsebenzi wakhe. That is why namanje mawucheck iDDC yePirates ibukeka ingathi weak, ayikho weak. Iyazini mayipheka lenkabi iyapheka bese iyaphaka bese kuyadliwa. You understand? Ngicabanga ukuthi uyena coach othwele kanzima ku DDC yokuthi maye promote abadlali fast bayathatha. iPirates mawuyibheka njengamanje iDDC mawungathatha le DDC esidlala ngayo la uyise kwa DDC kuzokwenzekalani. So into engishoyo angikhali. Number 2 muhle kakhulu sine M10 8. You understand? Sathi quarter final semi final ku CAF and ku CAF again siyabuyela. Ngifuna ukukhumbuza amazebra ke before ngiyolala njoba batha eAfrica na siya Africa yes kodwa abona bayela iConfederation thina siyela iCAF champion ayifani mfethu ngokwama level ayifani. You understand? Thina siyela into enestar bona bayela into angaze nani ayina star. You understand? And nakubadlali abazo nominatewa ngicabanga emazebreni akunamdlali odeserve ukuba lapha ya kwa goalkeeper iyakhiye Sipho Chayini uma defender bangaqalaza kuSibisi lapha yana emidfieldini naseinganeni obvious president wama 2K
kuma striker
uranga yini usimele kancane uranga baba usimele into engisho no all in all bafethu mabhakaniya niphathe kahle next season asibuyeni sizogcwalisa iSlaughterhouse siyabonga shilo sakusasela
thank you so much. Thank you for